Okay, so the next one is a banded fire hydrant. What you're gonna do, grab your band, glute band, whatever you can. They come in either fabric or they're like elasticy with those. Honestly, these work a little bit better with the fabric on like your leggings. But anyway, stick them on, run them over, put them on. I need them to be over your knees, Bring yourself down to the floor. Your fire hydrant from another video, I'm bringing my knee out to the side. It's abduction, so it's one of the rolls that your glutes are gonna work. One of the 4 rolls, coming out to the side. So essentially, I can't straighten my leg on this one, but what I can do is I can just bring my knee out. So to start with, I go hands square. We keep my back nice and straight. We don't really want to round it, all right? And we want to try to minimize any twist to make things easy, all right? So we don't want to turn into it. We just want the leg. So just the knee. From here, I come out to the side. This isn't necessarily a workout in itself, but what it can be used for is glute activation. Turn those glutes on, get yourself ready to do your compound lifts like your squats, your deadlifts, your glute bridges, and then go from there. That's it.